I'm this bitchy actress who doesn't like Alia and all. You know, that was the fun of it, and it was so much fun because all those people who were involved, Alia, me, Arjun, Karan, and Shakun who's directed. Also AIB now have become friends, you know, Tanmay, Rohan, etc. We're all like a bunch of friends, and you know, they thought doing this video and they're all decided. And in fact, I think they only thought of me to that part. And in fact, you know, they thought I would probably say no, because I think most actors would say no, that I don't want to be part of a video which is actually about Alia. But when they told me, I laughed so much. I was like, of course I'm doing it. And we weren't able to find time, and we did it in the middle of the night. But that's what I'm saying. If you're convinced that you have to do something, you don't have to really think about it. And I think the great thing is, the only risk was that people wouldn't take it in the right way. People might think I'm actually bitchy, or people might think that Alia is actually being so dumb. But the point of the video was to do it in jest. And I'm glad that you know, understood it for the intention that it was made for, you know. And I'm glad nobody's misunderstood the video. That's the thing that's happened.
Hi, Pranidhi.
Hi, ma'am.
आपने जब अपनी लाइफ में शैम्पू कितनी कंपनी के यूज किए?
I think जब मुझे नॉलेज नहीं थी, तो जो भी सबसे सस्ता होता था वो मैं खरीद लेती, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा। लेकिन आई थिंक आप भी रियलाइज करते हैं कि यार पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट जो आपको सूट करता है वो करना चाहिए। बालों के ambassador, because actually my mom did it, and then I happened to also get offered to be the yeah. So now I use only one, because now I know it suits my hair. But otherwise I've used before I knew what was good for me.
पेंट आपको चूज किया, इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
Sorry.
पेंटिंग के लिए आपको चूज किया या मानते हो?
This is the end. This is the end of my life. Sorry. Play it again. बिल्कुल correct. हाँ. Pantene ने
आपको चूज किया, तो इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
क्यों किया है भाई, बताओ? They love my hair. Yeah, you know, it's so funny. You know, there's one company, and see, also because I used to work at PNG, so I know how they work. पीछे से वो लोग कैसे चूज करते हैं लोग. But honestly, अगर वो मुझसे मिले और उनको लगता कि नहीं, इसके बालों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, they wouldn't have signed me on. They really want to believe no hair extensions. They don't do any color pigmentation to make it look brighter. Nothing. They do no fake tricks, which many people do, which I think so cool of them. You know, I could easily say no, listen, I only wear long hair extensions to make hair look long, or wear a long wig. Nothing. What you see in the ad is 100 real. The way they've shot it, it's amazing. They always, in fact, sometimes you have to fight. You know, sometimes they say I'm not looking good in this shot, but they say no, but it's the real shot, so we want to use it. You know, so I think that they've chosen me for some honesty, compatibility that they must be finding. That's what I feel.
We'll take that as the last question. Thank you.
Parineeti, you just said कि आपको बहुत पसंद है ऋतिक और शाहरुख के बाद